DigitalBix Fashion. Contributing the most to your personality is a standout hairdo. We are all thumbs up to letting your hair fall straight. But if you are bored of the usual, then why not notch things up a little? Tied hairstyles are ones to experiment with. Here is a list of 6 different ways of styling your hair to make a statement. Number 1. Double knotted ponytail. The chic vibes of this hairstyle can add an edge to your look. A double knotted ponytail is not just feminine but also looks effortless. It will complement that ideal summer dress in your closet. Number 2. Twisted bun. Showcasing regal and intricate design, a twisted bun is rather an easy one to pull off. It elevates your look at weddings and revelry. You can loosen up the styles to make this hairstyle a hit for casual errands too. Number 3. Side braided pony. Sleek in appearance, a side braided ponytail is bound to become your favorite pick this summer. It is convenient and flattering at the same time. Number 4. Puffed ponytail. Give your sleek ponytail a whole new avatar with a puff. This pick channels the retro vibes that we just cannot say no to. It is an apt choice to leave an indelible impression at the office. Number 5. Robe braid. Time to twist things up a little. And what better than doing it with a robe braid? A standout in its true sense. The robe braids makes your hair the knight and shining armor at any party. Number 6. Puffed bun. It's time to learn how to tie hair in a bun with a little volume. Bun hairstyles are usually classified as peak for formal gatherings. Taking it one step ahead is a puff to accompany it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel DigitalBix Fashion.